इम्फाल ईस्ट डिस्ट्रिक्ट की मनुंग चना लेबा यारिपोक तुलिहल तबोकपीगी साहिल फाउंडेशन सिंधुना स्कूल असिगी कैंपस ता हुमदा तरे लक सुबा रिपब्लिक डे की थोरम अमा चिंगलेमना पांगथोखरे फाउंडेशन अदुगी महिरोय सिंग गार्जियन सिंग यावना मियोय चा कया तिंदुना पांगथोखिबा थोरम अदुदा 31 असम राइफल की मेजर कन्हैया योगी यावना मसक नाइबा मियोय कयाना प्रेसिडियम मेंबर ओइने सरुक याखि थोरम अदुग मरी लेना मेजर कन्हैया योगी अमदी फाउंडेशन अदुगी ओजा सईद जाबिर न फोंदोखिबा वफम खरा तमिनसे
When I look at you, I remember the word of Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam, our former president, who always said that great dreams, a great student create a great nation. He rose from a simple background in a Rameswaram, studied hard, worked with discipline, and become the missile man of India and the president. Yet he always remained humble, prayerful, and close to students. Dr. Kalam, proud that boy who sells newspapers can through education and character sit in Rashtrapati Bhavan and inspire the whole world. In our armed forces too, there are many Muslim officers and soldiers who serve India with izzat and imandari. One shining example is Colonel Sofia Qureshi of the Indian Army, who has led important training, mission and operation and inspired thousands of young students across different states through outreach programs. She shows us that wearing the uniform is not about any caste or creed. It is about discipline, professionalism and love to the motherland. My dear students, your parents have trusted Sahil Foundation because this school combines modern education with strong moral values and religious guidance. Use every facility here, your smart classes, your computer lab, your library and your hostel life.
Sahil Foundation haina mingthon jaba Yaripok Tulhel Topok Fida Leiba Sigum Lava Foundation School Asigi Oza Magni Asi Aikoi Mayam Punduna Gathering Tauduna Republic Day India gi oina koina proudly Pangthok Sari Sigum Lava Numit Asida Aikoina Aikogi School Asida Angang Mayam Gap proudly koina Pangthok Libasigi Maramdi Aikogi School Asina Thoidok hendokna unique oina prithibida leiriba school mayamga khongjel tanaba ngamnabagi damakta aduki matik advance oinabagi damakta aikoina angang singbu class 1 dagina 5 fawba foundation na se aikoina linkhatjabani asigi foundation na sida aikoina maru oina tawjagadaba se Navodaya Sainik amadi RMC na singba kaya gi foundation larik pu taktuna class 1 dagina 5 fawda 8 standard fawda leigadawa Makogi knowledge amazing lyric na singba class 5 fawda leihenna gidamakta pandam dai khona si school asibu linkhat jabani aduna aikogi school asida hojik technology gi oiba asigum laba pumnaba science ki oiba computer class AI na singba sizin handuna aikogi school asibu angang sing asibu thoidok handokna prithibhi gi image oina gidamakta moibu competitive oirakna gidamakta aikoina semgat chari
National anthem, Sukan! ꯃꯤꯌꯥꯝꯗ ꯈꯪꯍꯟꯖꯕ ꯑꯃ ꯏꯄꯦꯛ ꯇꯤꯚꯤ ꯅ꯭ꯌꯨꯁ ꯆꯦꯅꯦꯜ ꯑꯁꯤꯗ ꯇꯣꯉꯥꯟ ꯇꯣꯉꯥꯟꯕ ꯍꯤꯔꯝꯁꯤꯡꯒꯤ ꯃꯇꯥꯡꯗ ꯑꯦꯗꯚꯔꯇꯤꯁ ꯇꯧꯕꯤꯅꯤꯡꯕ ꯃꯤꯑꯣꯏꯁꯤꯡꯒꯤ ꯑꯣꯏꯅ ꯌꯥꯝꯅ ꯆꯥꯎꯅ ꯑꯣꯐꯔ ꯄꯤꯖꯔꯤ꯫ ꯑꯀꯛꯅꯕ ꯅꯨꯃꯤꯠ ꯈꯔꯅꯤꯒꯤ ꯑꯣꯏꯕ ꯑꯣꯐꯔꯅꯤ, ꯃꯔꯝ ꯑꯗꯨꯅ ꯑꯦꯗꯚꯔꯇꯤꯁ ꯇꯧꯕꯤꯅꯤꯡꯕ ꯃꯤꯑꯣꯏꯁꯤꯡꯅ ꯑꯣꯐꯔ ꯑꯁꯤꯒꯤ ꯈꯨꯗꯣꯡꯆꯥꯕ ꯂꯧꯕꯤꯌꯨ꯫ hiram asigi matangda apamba miyoisingna mobile number 9366127201 da call tawbiraklaga khudongchaba asi lawbiyu haina Impact TV News ki maikeidagi miyamda appeal tawjari।